Imagine a storm so fierce it reshapes a region's future. The Great Blizzard of 1888 struck the eastern United States on March 11th to 14th, burying cities under up to 50 inches of snow. With winds reaching 85 miles per hour, transportation halted completely. Trains were buried, and telegraph lines snapped, isolating communities. The storm claimed over 400 lives and stranded thousands in New York City, forcing people to seek refuge in buildings. The aftermath led to significant changes in weather forecasting and urban planning. This disaster highlighted the need for improved infrastructure to withstand nature's fury and left an indelible mark on American history, forever remembered as one of the worst blizzards ever.